Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to do a bicycle kick in EA Sports FC25. Let's get started. First, you need to do a flare cross. On PlayStation, press L2 plus square. On Xbox, press LT plus X. This sets up the perfect ball for your teammate. Next, the player receiving the ball needs to flick the ball up for a first touch. Press R3 or use the right analog stick. This gets the ball in the air and ready for the bicycle kick. Now, to perform the bicycle kick on PlayStation, press L2 plus circle. On Xbox, press LT plus B. Then your player will perform a spectacular bicycle kick and aim for the goal. To recap the full combo, flare cross, first touch flick up, flare shot, bicycle kick. Practice this combination to score incredible goals in your matches. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.